Alrighty, in this video we are going to be solving absolute value equations. So let me get my equation. 3 absolute value x plus 2 and then minus 1 equals 8. Alright, these straight sticks mean absolute value. First step is we have to isolate the absolute value. So that means we got to get rid of all the numbers that are outside of the absolute value symbols. Alright, so I'm going to first add 1 to each side. Bring everything else down. So 3 absolute value x plus 2. And then bring down equals 8 plus 1 makes 9. Now, the next thing I have to do is get rid of the 3. I cannot distribute the 3 because these are absolute value, not parentheses. I have to divide by 3. Okay? All it does on the left is it cancels out the 3 that's in front of the absolute value. And so I have absolute value of x plus 2 equals 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now, the next thing I have to do to get rid of absolute value, I have to break this apart. Alright? Now, if I take the absolute value of a number, let's say absolute value of x equals a number like 4. If the absolute value of x is 4, that means x could be either positive 4 or negative 4. So that means there's a positive side and a negative side. So what I have to do to get rid of the absolute value symbols, I take what's inside the absolute value, x plus 2. And I say equals, I do the positive 3, I write the word or, and then I write x plus 2 equals, I have to find the negative side, so negative 3. Okay, and then I just solve each equation separate. So subtracting 2, I get x equals 1. I write the word or, and here I subtract 2, and I get x equals negative 5. So my solutions are x equals 1 or x equals negative 5. Both of these numbers will work if I plug them in for x in the original equation. Alrighty, have a great time with these.